change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind leads me then.
Hey, hello everyone. Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you see my face for the very first time, I am Susanita AP. I am a YouTuber based in Germany, in Berlin to be precise. That being said, let's get into the tutorial. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows today. You guys, I am so scared, but I trust the process. This is the first time I am going to be doing my eyebrows on camera. Right here, I'm just setting my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hair setting powder. I'm doing this to take away every excess oil from my eyebrow area. With the spoolie, I'm going to brush my eyebrows upwards. Like you can see, I'm brushing it upward direction to lay down all the hair standing. With the PS brow pomade and a sharp edge brush, I am going to be applying the brow pomade on my eyebrow. You can use an eyebrow pencil, you can use a brow gel, you can use a brow pomade, anyone that works for you. Today I decided to use a brow pomade. Sometimes I do use eye pencil. Guys, what you see right here, it's me trying to mimic my natural eyebrow. Naturally, I don't have a lot of hair on my brow. They're very scanty, so I'm just trying to mimic the form. As I go, I brush with a spoolie. Guys, with eyebrow, you want to make sure you brush as you ride along. Just excuse my voice. The girl is cold and I kind of sound funny. I'm applying enough brow pomades to make sure all my hair are well laid. At this point, I'm using an eyebrow pencil to deepen the color just to make sure it's a bit darker. As you can see, the brow pomade is not all that dark, so the brow pencil is going to make it a bit darker. Take note of what I'm doing. As I go, I brush. That is something that you really need to learn. It's something that you have to do to get that perfect eyebrow you see on Instagram or on YouTube. Now I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Concealer. Right here, I am blending two concealers together, a darker shade and a lighter shade, both MAC concealers. I'm going to leave everything I use in this video down in the description, so feel free to check it out if you are interested. At this point, you want to make sure you concentrate. Do not talk to anybody, do not listen to anyone, concentrate. Personally, I don't joke with my eyebrows. I pay a lot of attention to my eyebrows because I believe the eyebrows are just like the foundation of the face. If your eyebrows are not properly done, every other thing you do on your face is just going to be like, I don't know. It's not going to make sense. So concentrate. For the upper part of my eyebrows, to clean it properly, I'm using a darker shade concealer. That's what I'm using to clean the upper parts. So with a brush, I am going to blend out all the excess concealer that is sitting on my eyebrows. This is a step that I take seriously. I don't joke with this step. But if you're someone that does your foundation before you do your eyebrows, you might not take this seriously. But sometimes I do my brows before my face, so I take this step very serious. Right here, I'm going to apply a brow powder. That is the Academy brow powder. I'm just going to apply. The reason I'm applying the brow powder is just to take away the excess shine from the brow pomade. That's why I am applying the brow powder, just to make it look more soft. Now I'm brushing everything to give the beginning of my eyebrow like a soft look. As you can see, it looks more softer and more natural now. Now I'm going to use the lash glue, the adhesive for lashes. I'm going to apply it lastly on my eyebrows just to make sure everything is sleeping, you know. This eyebrow is going to stay 24 hours, nothing is going to move. Right here, I'm going to use my Catrice Camouflage cream to prep my eyebrows before I apply eyeshadow. I just use this camouflage cream as a base if I want to do a very dark or very colorful eyeshadow look. It just helps the colors to pop. It's like a base for eyeshadow. I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is one of my favorite colorful palettes. Guys, this look is just a freestyle look that I saw another content creator create. I saw it, I liked it, and I decided to recreate it. So I'm just cutting my crease gently. This is something that I still struggle with. So I every time I cut my crease, I take my time. I don't rush. If you really want to get your crease clean and perfect, you don't rush, you take your time. The color I'm applying around the outer corner of my eyelid is the same color I used initially. That's the first pinkish, or should I say, that's the first pink color I used. So this is the same yellow color I used around my brow bone area. And in the middle right there, I am using a color that looks like orange. Like it looks like orange color, but maybe on camera it doesn't show like orange, but it's an orange color. That's what I'm using around the middle part. As you can see, I am not blending all of the camouflage cream away. I'm leaving a tiny bit around the upper portion, like the mid portion of my eyelid. Like I said, guys, everything I use in this video, I'm going to leave them in the description down below. So if you are interested, feel free to check it out. At this point, I'm just cleaning the excess eyeshadow that fell on my skin. I want some glitter around my eyelid, so I use the adhesive. First of all, that is the lash glue, and then I applied the glitter. You can use a glitter glue, but I like to use the lash glue. To prep my face, I am using the Bebe face cream. It's just a cream that I use to moisturize my face. And next I'm going to apply a concealer. This is the Benefit Pore Fessional Concealer. It's one of my favorite all-time concealer. Now to color correct my face, I am using a black opal stick foundation. Next, I'm going in with the Mary Kay foundation. You guys, the shade of this foundation, I can't remember. I'm going to leave the shade. I think this is the bronze too, but I'm not so sure. I'm going to leave it down in the description as well. With my beauty blender, I am just going to blend everything nicely. You guys, I always say this in every of my makeup tutorial. Blending is key. If you don't have the patience to blend your foundation, please don't do makeup, okay? I'm just kidding. Just do what works for you, okay? Sometimes I just want to get somebody else to do the blending whilst I wait for the highlighter. To set my face, I'm using the NYX setting spray. This is one of my Real Technique brush. You've seen this in one of my haul videos. So this is one of my Real Technique brush. That's what I'm using to blend the setting powder. Right here, I am just adding normal powder to blend all the powders together. To highlight my face, I am using a MAC Studio highlighter. I'm going to be highlighting as well as applying a little bit of blush to give it a soft pinkish look. I think this look is perfect for a night event because it kind of looks very glamorous and eye-catchy to me. So if you want to create this look, or before I forget, if you ever create this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. For my lips, I'm using the Essence eye pencil. Sometimes I use eye pencil to line my lip. Sometimes I use a lip liner. It just depends on how I feel. The lipstick I'm using is the Tracy lipstick. The mascara I'm using is from Catrice. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you learned something new, just let me know down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.